and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd share with you our playroom makeover, aka changing what was once our very adulting conservatory where one would serve Mr. Kipling's and tea to one's friends, into my husband's dumping ground for crap, into my little boy's dumping ground for toys, into what was then an acceptable looking playroom. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name's Tabby. I make videos on motherhood and all kinds of other stuff, so if you like what you see, please do stick around and hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get into the video. So this is the current state of the conservatory. There's no blinds, it's absolutely baking in here, and as you can see there's just toys everywhere. That's the blanket that we use to dry the dog's feet when he comes in. There's toys everywhere. It's not particularly safe. But what I want to do is turn it into a playroom so that he can come in here and it's really nice and child friendly, and just basically make this room a lot better than it is at the moment, because at the moment it's just an absolute dumping ground. I thought because this carpet, although it isn't great, when the dog comes in from outside it's really easy to vacuum and keep clean, so we decided to keep this carpet for now. So I thought we'd tie in like a beige and an orange theme to match this, but what I would really like is to get a lot of these toys out of the way so that basically this room can be transformed into an adult conservatory as and when it's needed. So this has arrived today, and this is a Kita storage bench, and I've decided to go mainly because the rest of the room, like the blinds, are kind of like a natural beige colour, so to keep the conservatory like fitted in with the rest of the house, I thought we'd go with beige. And also usefully, this comes in like a beige and brown. The majority of it is beige, so I'm going to have a go at putting this together. Just received the delivery from Blinds to Go, so now I'm going to have a go at putting these up. I have emptied the conservatory pretty much, so now it's empty, and I've put this Kita bench together, which was pretty easy actually to put together, so that is done. But I've got these two units that I got from the range, which I'm hoping will go kind of either side of the bench for storage, and then I got some beigey coloured storage things off eBay to go in. I put the blinds up, they look really good, so they were pretty easy to do. It was just drilling a hole in the plastic and then putting a screw in and then clipping them in, and they were all from Blinds to Go. Just drilled a couple of holes in the top here and used some screws that I'd got left over from the blinds just to put these couple of brackets up, which I think will be really useful for hanging a couple of things on. And then I've got this string of fairy lights down here, which are some solar panelled ones, and these were just from B&M, and I'm just going to tuck those round the very top of the conservatory so that at night they come on and hopefully look quite pretty. On the ceiling I have this brilliant thing from eBay. It's like a wooden toy, and you pull this and the seagull flaps. I love the motion of that, I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then I've got this one as well, which is actually handmade by somebody, but it's all clownfish, Nemos. I managed to put these together, woohoo! These are from the range. The bubble machine was off Amazon. This Krabby was off eBay. This we picked up when we were on a holiday in Polperro, and that vase actually lights up, that's from the range. This buffet was from eBay. And then I wanted loads of storage space in here as well. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear past the fan. This Kita bench has actually got loads and loads of storage inside. So there's like tons of toys in there. But I got this padded cushion for it off eBay. And then I have these handmade, they're also off eBay. There's a bubble tube in the corner there with fishes in it, which changes colour. That was from Argos. And then I got this rug, which is like a farm scene. And I wanted something with lots of roads and things on it for him to play with his tractor. There's a massive tractor just there. So I thought this would do the job. It's really nice and bright and colourful, and I think you can put them in the wash, but I'm not entirely sure. Here's his kitchen, I've just tidied it up. That won't stay like that for long. I got that wind chime there from the range. I don't know if you can see it very well, it's got like a starfish on the top. But I just thought it was really nice for like sensory stuff from the sounds. Ignore the garden, it's in the process of being done. And then I got that fish market from Cornwall thingy from the range. These two lanterns actually light up at night, they're orange. They were from B&M. I picked that up on holiday when we were in Polperro. And then this fishy string here was actually blue, and I spray painted it kind of orange, copper and gold, and then I kind of tried to put like scales on them by like firing the spray can at it. I'm not entirely sure if that worked, but you know, it's a little added decoration for the site there. That's just an old fossil thing, and then that's the pile of crap outside that I've got to deal with. But yeah, generally, especially from outside now, that looks so much better. And it's kind of loosely seaside-y themed, I think. These are actually the last thing I've got for my project, and I haven't actually been able to find these anywhere else in the UK. I wanted something to just stick on the windows that my little boy could like peel off and play with, and these are called Gel Gems and Gel Wonder, and there's one specific website that sold these. I can't remember what it's called at the moment. I'll link it down below, but basically these are like gel stickers. They're really squidgy that stick to the windows, and you can like make scenes and stuff out of them. So I got this one, which was all like boats and anchors, this one which was pirates, and this one which is like dolphins, bubbles, starfishes and shells. And when you hold them up to the light, they're like see-through. So I thought these were brilliant as like a sensory thing for him to like squish and use his imagination to make scenes and stuff. But yeah, they're really hard to get hold of. So if you know anywhere else that you can get these kind of Gel Gems window clings, do let me know. So I hope you enjoyed watching our conservatory makeover into a playroom, and I hope you like what I did with it. And yeah, the whole idea was kind of to have more of like a sensory room with kind of things that can be touched. Anyway, if you liked anything that I did, please let me know. If you dislike anything, please let me know. Is there anything you think I should add? Is there anything that's missing? I did feel like the one side of the room didn't quite get the same vibe as the other, so if you can think of anything that I can do to make it better, please do put them in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye!